Welcome back to Car Magica, where we bring you the latest car reviews, features, and expert insights. Today, we're diving into the world of luxury and performance with the 2026 Cadillac Motorhome. A masterpiece of design and engineering, this motorhome sets new standards for both comfort and prestige. Let's explore what makes it stand out in the crowded world of luxury RVs. First, let's talk about the interior. Cadillac is renowned for its timeless American luxury, and the 2026 motorhome is no exception. As you step inside, you're welcomed by a spacious and elegantly designed living area that blends classic Cadillac styling with modern innovation. The materials used throughout are top tier, from hand-stitched leather seating to rich wood trims and ambient lighting. The living room features a massive flat-screen TV, a premium AKG surround sound system, and panoramic windows that flood the space with natural light. The kitchen comes fully equipped with state-of-the-art appliances, including an induction cooktop, refrigerator, built-in coffee system, and a wine cooler for added indulgence. The master suite, with a king-size bed, provides hotel-like comfort, while the luxurious ensuite bathroom boasts marble accents and high-end fixtures, making life on the road truly effortless. Now moving to the exterior. The 2026 Cadillac Motorhome is a statement of style and presence. Its bold, sculpted lines and iconic Cadillac grille create an unmistakable look that commands attention everywhere it goes. The body is finished in a deep metallic paint, enhanced with chrome accents, delivering both elegance and durability. A large, power-retractable awning transforms the exterior into a shaded lounge area, while the custom alloy wheels with Cadillac crests add a unique touch of exclusivity. Built on a robust yet lightweight chassis, it ensures smooth handling without compromising stability or strength. Every detail of the exterior is meticulously crafted, showcasing Cadillac's signature attention to detail. When it comes to performance, the 2026 Cadillac Motorhome blends refinement with capability. Powered by a 6.2-liter V8 engine paired with hybrid assist technology, it delivers both impressive power and enhanced efficiency. Whether gliding along the interstate or climbing mountain passes, this motorhome offers a smooth and commanding drive. The advanced magnetic ride suspension ensures exceptional comfort even on uneven terrain. An adaptive transmission system shifts seamlessly, while Cadillac's Super Cruise semi-autonomous driving system makes long journeys safer and more relaxing. With these innovations, the Cadillac Motorhome offers the perfect harmony of luxury and performance on the open road. Finally, let's discuss the price. The 2026 Cadillac Motorhome is positioned as a true luxury flagship, and its price reflects that. Starting at around $600,000, it sits firmly in the premium category. While it may not be for budget-minded buyers, it delivers unmatched value for those seeking world-class craftsmanship, advanced technology, and iconic Cadillac prestige. The investment covers not only bespoke design and features, but also the elevated lifestyle experience Cadillac is known for. Owning this motorhome is about more than travel. It's about experiencing luxury without limits. To sum up, the 2026 Cadillac Motorhome is an extraordinary blend of elegance, innovation, and performance. It offers a standard of comfort and sophistication rarely seen in the motorhome segment. Whether embarking on cross-country adventures or indulging in the ultimate luxury lifestyle on wheels, the Cadillac Motorhome delivers at every level. Stay tuned for more reviews, and don't forget to like and subscribe to Car Magica for all the latest in automotive excellence.